Oh, you thought I was going somewhere. No, no, no. You just wait. So, hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan, and thanks for tuning in. I had this candle here I meant to light, and I didn't, so it smells so good, but we're gonna put it right over there. Anywho, so first things first, make sure you vote. Make sure you are registered to vote. If you are, please make sure that you vote. Your voice matters to us, to me, to the country. Please make sure you vote. I don't care who you vote for. Yeah, make sure you vote and make sure your voice is heard. Second thing is, make sure you subscribe. I've been missing from YouTube for a little bit, and it's been a hell of a road. A lot of things have happened, but that is not going to be this video today. Oh no. We are going to talk about moisture. Obviously, you have to moisturize, especially now that it is fall, going into winter. So the first type of moisture you need is water. Water is awesome for your skin. I mean, I can't say enough how much water is good for you. I know some people hate water. I will sometimes put in like the little Mio drops, or you know, the imitation Mio, like Target, which are really good. Hold on, I'm parched, hold on. Okay, yeah. Anywho, so I wanted to talk about my two favorite brands of moisturizer right now. The first is Belif. You can get these at ULTA, SEPHORA, or the Belif website. I believe a few other sites may have them, like third-party sites that are authorized. But yes, so I have two different ones. I do have one marked S and W for spring, summer, and this is winter. Since it is fall, it depends on the weather and the humidity. So that's when I'll just pretend that's why there's no F in here, or A for autumn. So the summer is the Aqua Bomb by Belif. It increases your hydration level up to 70%. And, oh, my phone's going off, sorry. And yeah, it is literally, like it says, an Aqua Bomb. It is a light blue gel-like substance. It literally absorbs into your skin very, very quickly, which I do love, especially if you're going to go out, wear makeup or something like that. It doesn't leave that feeling, that heavy feeling on your skin. And then this one is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which it says does, what, 26 hours of moisture. This is thicker and heavier. Still kind of like the same, but a little less fragrant. It is white. It is a thick cream, so to speak, but it still has like an Aqua Bomb texture. So with that being said, I wouldn't wear this, well, let me rephrase that. I would wear it under makeup, but not a lot. With Belif, you don't have to put on a ton of moisturizer to feel moisturized. That's the whole purpose, is less is more. With Belif, also, they are, let me see, make sure I remember this. First of all, they're animal product free. There's no artificial fragrances, perfumes, petroleum, mineral oil, or anything else like that, which is awesome. All of the fragrance, to me, it smells like an herbal type, and it's not really heavy, so it's okay. But these are my two favorite. This is like my second purchase of this, since, you know, I haven't gone anywhere really because of COVID. So yeah, but yeah, I love these, and each one is let me see, 1.68 fluid ounces, which may not sound like a lot, but like I said, you do not need to use a whole bunch, I promise you. And then my other favorite moisturizer, which isn't a moisturizer, but it is a moisturizer. It's by Laneige. Anyway, Laneige is another Korean brand, just like Belif. It is, I mean, it's the snow. I love this. This is their water sleeping mask. It is for all types of skin. This, you can smell a little bit of fragrance on it. This is a 2.3 fluid ounce jar. It comes with this little scooper so you don't have to like scoop your fingers in it if your hands aren't clean. My hands, usually when I'm doing makeup stuff, they're clean. So, but this is a water sleeping mask. It almost looks like the Aqua Bomb. It has a weird texture. I won't tell you what the texture reminds me of. Because this is a family show. Sorry. Anywho, but yeah, what this does, it seals in everything you've put on your face. So you can put your oils, your serums, your medicines from the dermatologist, anything that you put on your face right before you go to bed, and then you put this over it. It also gives you extra moisture and it seals everything in so you don't have it on your pillow the next morning. I love them. They're tried and true. I mean, there's other moisturizers like CeraVe, whichever one, and things like that, but these are my tried and true. They're also very gentle for your skin, in my opinion, and I have like somewhat sensitive skin. But yeah, I love these, and yeah, so these are your 3 ingredients here: water, Belif, and Laneige. Actually, water's free, so you know. So yeah, but glad to see everyone, and we'll be doing this again. So I will put all of the descriptions of each product and links if you want to purchase or see how much they are in the description below. Leave your comments, suggestions, thoughts, hate, love. I don't really care. It's your voice, right? Okay. So yeah, and that's all I have. So thank you for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob, and I will see you next time.